If you're experiencing login issues on Qubes OS 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you're entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 2. Restart the system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Reboot your Qubes OS and try logging in again. Step 3. Access recovery mode. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Verify disk space. Low disk space can cause login issues. Boot into a terminal and check your disk usage. If necessary, free up space by deleting unnecessary files. Step 5. Check for updates. Ensure that your Qubes OS is up to date. Log into a different Qubes or use recovery mode to install any available updates that may fix login-related bugs. If you follow these steps and still face issues, consider seeking help from the Qubes OS community or support forums for further assistance.